How to change announcement bar color on Shopify. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to change the announcement bar color on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Shopify website using the link down there in the video description below. So further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm going to edit now my Dawn theme Shopify. And right here, as you can see on the top, you will see the announcement bar, because yeah, this is it right here. And if you want to edit its color, you can use the theme settings right here on the left, or you can use the quick settings right here on the right. So if you click each section on this page, you can edit them by clicking on the properties on the right. And if I want to edit its color, as you can see right here, the colorway of my announcement bar can be changed right here. And if I want to edit the color, I can just click edit and click background, and I can set what color, or the set of color I want for this announcement bar. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can edit the announcement bar color on Shopify. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.